Graphic design is emotional design, although to work in the digital age means you must design with interactive software. Graphic design still revolves around age-old principles. It's crucial that you strike the right chord with users from their first glance. Hence, graphic design's correspondence with emotional design. As a graphic designer, then, you should have a firm understanding of color theory and how vital the right choice of color scheme is. Color choices must reflect not only the organization, for example, blue suits banking, but also users' expectations, for example, red for alerts, green for notifications to proceed. You should design with an eye for how elements match the tone, for example, sans serif fonts for excitement or happiness. You also need to design for the overall effect, and note how you shape users' emotions as you guide them from, for instance, a landing page to a call to action. Often, graphic designers are involved in motion design for smaller screens. They will carefully monitor how their work's aesthetics match their users' expectations. They can enhance their design's usability in a flowing, seamless experience by anticipating the user's needs and mindsets. With user psychology in mind, it's important to stay focused on some especially weighty graphic design considerations, namely these: symmetry and balance, including symmetry types, flow repetition pattern, the golden ratio, i.e., proportions of 1 to 1.618, the rule of thirds, i.e., how users' eyes recognize good layout, typography, encompassing everything from font choice to heading weight, audience culture, regarding color use, for example, red as an alert or, in some Eastern cultures, a signal of good fortune, and reading pattern, for example, left to right in Western cultures. Overall, your mission, as far as graphic design goes in UX and UI design, is to display information harmoniously. You should ensure that beauty and usability go hand in hand, and therefore your design can discreetly carry your organization's ideals to your users. When you establish a trustworthy visual presence, you hint to users that you know what they want to do, not just because you've arranged aesthetically pleasing elements that are where your users expect to find them, or help them intuit their way around, but because the values which your designs display mirror theirs, too. Your visual content will quickly decide